Can these 7 tiny house designs never make you complain of being too small? As the cost of real estate continues to rise, owning a house is out of the question for a lot of people these days. What's more, growing concerns about the environment means that people who already own properties are looking to downsize or at least minimize the energy used at home. The following tiny houses for sales from different tiny house builders take the concept of downsizing to the extreme and provide clever solutions to maximize both space and energy usage by adopting different tiny house designs responding to specific customers' needs. You're watching Cool Tech Gadgets and News. Here are 7 tiny house ideas you'll never complain about being too small. A-Void Tiny House. Leonardo Di Chiara is the architect and the engineer behind A-Void, a mobile tiny house on wheels. He has decided to build his tiny house out of the desire to travel to avoid fixed foundations and being able to experience living in different places with the house attached to the back of his car. Leonardo simply parks up in the driveway, unhitches the A-Void, and with the help of his friends, he maneuvers it to its position. Inside, the tiny house interior begins as an empty grey box with all the furnishing and utilities hidden away. As you open shelves and drawers, you will discover the creature comfort of home, and the area is surprisingly transformed into a comfortable living space thanks to this space-saving tiny house furniture design. There is a Murphy bed, a fold-out table, and a stove for cooking, so you can even invite guests for a sit-down or wherever you decide to park thanks to this fully functioning tiny house kitchen. There is plenty of storage space, a fridge, sink of mirrors, and the fully functioning toilet. After lunch or dinner, your guests can head up to the sun bath or stargaze on the roof area, which is accessible by ladder. Make sure to stop up in the greenhouse to water the vegetables along the way. The A-Void is very energy efficient. For example, the composting toilet creates fertilizers you can use in the greenhouse, and drinkable water is collected from the roof. Electricity is provided by solar panels. Leonardo recently showcases the A-Void during a road trip sponsored by Volkswagen between Berlin and Rome. The architect's plan was to demonstrate how mobility can be an essential part of living, as well as providing the best tiny house blueprint, and we can see many more of these homes driving along motorways in the near future. Horton Tiny House. Here is a portable tiny house kit that looks like a conventional tiny house. It is fully insulated and double glazed to minimize heat loss and keep its residents warm. Despite measuring just 8 meters in length and being 2.4 meters wide, the Horton Tiny House is deceptively spacious with a sizable lounge area, kitchen with preparation space, plus 2 upstairs bedrooms. Seating areas are built in the homes, and the space underneath them double the space storage. There is plenty of room for all of your kitchen utilities, and the unit pulls out to create an extra counter space. There is no need to compromise on the quality of your equipment. The Horton Tiny House can accommodate full-size appliances. There is plenty of shelves for plates and glassware. A space-saving sliding door leads to a compact tiny house bathroom that includes a tiled shower area, a composting toilet, and a sink. The stairs double the storage space, containing drawers and cabinets that open from the side and above for maximum efficiency without compromising structural integrity. In the master loft bedroom, you'll find wardrobe and closets at the foot of queen-size bed and across the way. A second loft platform serves as guest or child bedroom. It is accessed by a separate ladder. There are storage spaces between the walls that serve a safety area at the end of the bed. When the ladder is not used, it is going to be pushed up against the wall to free up more space in the room and the lounge. There is also a lockable storage area outside for tools and other equipment you might not want to store inside. For those interested in inquiring about this tiny house cost, the Horton Tiny House is currently made to order and delivered in New Zealand. The Lee Tiny House. This next house is not much larger than a standard shipping container that looks right at home on the bank near the water. It is beautifully decorated with wood shelves and drawers, plus the cozy sofa double bed. The stylish tiny house interior can rival any beach house. The quality kitchen appliances and an additional kid-size bedroom, making it a 2 bedrooms tiny house. This house has everything a small family needs. The tiny house bathroom area with a generously sized area. Its toilet and wash basin separate the bathroom from the kitchen and lounge area. Again, every space is used to full effect, with the tiny house stairs doubling its storage and sliding doors eliminating cluttering and interference. This would make a great holiday home or permanent one for any seaside romantic. Olive Nest Tiny Home. Nicknamed the Alsa, this concept of olive nest tiny home looks like a house. The shed and the conservatory have been squashed into one. It is actually a clever combination of buildings on top of 2 stationary trailers. As you climb the front stairs, under the porch area to your left is a greenhouse useful for growing plants and foods. When you enter the front door, you are greeted with 320 square meters of compact living space. Everything appeared to have been perfectly measured, from the wall-to-the-wall couch to the shelving units and storage containers. It also benefits from a sleek wind design. It is still hard to believe that so much can be confined in these quarters. There is a full-size washing machine, shower sink in the closet area, which is also separated into its own snug compartment. Ample shelving can be found in the kitchen, bathroom, under stairs to store all the essentials and more. Plus, there is sufficient counter space for food preparation. The table for working and dining on. Upstairs, there is a queen-size bed from which you can look out and take an elevated look to the surrounding forest. Seems like the perfect tree for nature lovers. Wide Park Tiny House. This fan-sized tiny house on wheels is one of recreational vehicles that have been modified to look like vehicle households. There is a temporary accommodation home away from home for vacationers during the holiday period. Built with innovative design and exceptional craftsmanship, these houses come equipped with full-size amenities and allow families to experience traditional home lifestyles. In this small space, there is a full-size kitchen complete with a double sink, standing fridge, freezer and countertop dining area. The lounge has a corner couch that can easily sit a family of 4 to 6. Meanwhile, the bathroom has a wide shower, a large mirror above the sink. The master bedroom comes with a large double bed, plenty of wardrobe space, and if you venture upstairs, you'll find the guest bedroom. It is still hard to believe that these homes are actually RVs. Heyman's One Tiny Home. The Heyman's One provide 39 square meters of space in an instant. It is a movable prefab tiny house built with Dutch design that can be installed anywhere in a single day. It is designed to combat the problem issues of shortage of temporary rental houses, frequent sites of empty area made with lightweight yet durable materials. The house is installed complete until ready to use, with fully functioning kitchen and bathroom, as well as the bedroom. There is plenty of space to catch up on the sleep or to focus on your work. Privacy, security and sustainability are all provided by these impressive feats of architectural design and engineering. In fact, they can be mass-produced and sold quickly with a huge advantage and can prove a solving housing crisis in the future. 7. Off-the-grid smart house. Another compact residence that comes delivered and ready to go. This one is much more high-tech on the previous century on this list. Assembled and equipped in factory, zero construction work is needed on site. This off-the-grid house does not even need to be connected or plugged in, meaning it is going to be placed or relocated fast. Any flat surface doesn't require foundations, water tanks, solar energy, battery storage, autonomous sewage, all come with the house, so you can drop it on any location and you won't have to call a plumber. The tiny house manufacturer claims that space station technology and resilient material will not break down from bugs and rust. It even provides lifetime zombie-proof warranty, and they will even give you your money back in case it will be destroyed by aliens or zombies. Don't worry, the house has been designed for comfort as it comes equipped with everything you need. Furniture, kitchen, the Sonos speaker system, Nest camera, thermostat, Apple TV, 100-inch projector screen, 24/7 internet connection, and even a fingerprint door lock. It is going to be a cozy guest house, a dream vacation house, or units for rent. This one-of-a-kind home also possesses 24 intelligent subsystems. They work together to ensure you're living safely and comfortably. Clean energy and sustainability is a key focus. Solar power, water generation from air condensation, autonomous sewage allow off-the-grid living and saving the environment. You can also save up to $30,000 in annual energy costs. This house energy efficiency can be effective and it can be even heated with only solar power, even in foggy overcast climate. So while the zombies are banging on the door outside in the middle of the winter, you can be cozy and warm inside without caring of the world. To summarize, would you be happy to live in one of these tiny homes? Which is your favorite from these tiny house listings? Let us know in the comments if you enjoy the video. Don't forget to leave a like. You can also subscribe to our channel for more interesting cool tech gadgets and news. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll be back with some more ingenious ideas soon.